think that you should be doing something else right now, like finishing up your assignment, taking care of your laundry, or buying stuff for your home, or any other major project. But instead, you have come to my channel to watch my videos. Do you have a pile of work waiting for you somewhere, but you have convinced yourself that you are going to do it later, like you always do? Well, then you have come to the right place. You are a master procrastinator, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to deal with procrastination. Keep watching. Hello everyone, this is Maitri and you're watching Positivity Sutra. Today's topic is how to stop procrastinating and get your job done on time. So let's first understand what is procrastinating. Well, it is the art of avoiding important jobs at hand by spending your time doing unnecessary, mundane, unproductive things, or just by doing nothing at all. If you have a habit of doing everything in the last minute, then you might be a procrastinator. You must understand that whatever you deliver is a very poor result and you have much more potential within you. You are not using your full potential, hence whatever you deliver in your life is of mediocre quality. So you do understand how much important it is to stop procrastinating as soon as possible. So the first step would be to accept that you do procrastinate, and I think you already have accepted it and you have taken the first step towards it because you have clicked on my video. But do not blame yourself for it. When you blame yourself for anything, you start feeling low and it hampers your self-confidence. Because guilt is the most draining emotion of all. So the first step is start accepting that you do procrastinate, but stop blaming yourself, stop feeling guilty, and start to move ahead. Just believe in yourself. The second step is start contemplating why you procrastinate. Go to the root and find out what is the reason behind it. If you don't find out the root, then you won't be able to stop it in a long term. The reason could be anything. Only you know your reason. It could be a person, or a habit, or just sheer laziness. You only know your reason. You have to find out the root. It could be a friend who has negative influence on you, or it could be a family member who always disrespects you or your decisions, which hampers your confidence, or it could be a very bad habit of sleeping at odd hours, wasting time, or getting distracted easily, not having focus, any kind of things. Find out the root cause and start by dealing with it. Step number 3 is to make a list. Make a complete and detailed list of whatever the things that you need to do at the current time, and make it a very organized list. If you make a disorganized list, it's going to make you more confused and it might affect your productivity. So just take care of the list. Don't make it very disorganized, and arrange your list by short-term and long-term goals, because that is very important. The long-term goal you can manage in your spare time, one day at a time, and the short-term goals are the tasks that you need to take care of at the moment. After arranging your goals by short term and long term, arrange it with priority. So in short term goals, write down your priorities, like which one is hardest and which one is easiest. Start with the hardest, because when you're done with the hardest, you won't have any problems dealing with the easier ones. So always try to start with the hardest. If you start with the easiest, there is a chance that you would tend to avoid the hard ones and start procrastinating again. So when you're very inspired and motivated to start your list, just try taking care of hard ones first. Do the similar thing for the long-term goals as well. The fourth step is to cut away from all the distractions. What is a distraction for you? It could be anything that is less productive and more interesting than the task at hand. So something like a Facebook post, your friends call or messages, things like that. So you need to cut away from all those distractions while you're working. Pick a calm corner in your house, sit there on a table, do your job, and keep your phone or computer away. And if you need your phone and computer for your work, then just make sure you don't open Facebook or start watching random videos or listening to random music. Just keep on working and just use those websites that are needed for your work, or use your phone for maybe calculator or any app that is needed for your work. But do not open unnecessary websites like social media websites, and just make sure you're not distracted and totally focused on your work. That increases your productivity. When you're focused at something, you tend to do your job better and waste little time. Tip number 5 is set particular timings for your work and fun. I'm not telling you to just start working and stop having fun or stop having friends. I'm just advising you to set particular timing for everything. When you're working, just get rid of all the distractions, your phone, your social media, your friends and everything, and keep your focus on work. And when you're not working and having fun, just have fun. Planning your routine beforehand would help you with that. Just plan your routine ahead and set your timing accordingly. If you learn time management well, then procrastination would not be an issue for you ever again. Step number 6. Start it now. There are few people who say, well, this seems difficult, I'll do it tomorrow, or I'll do it next Monday. Maybe I'll start doing it next weekend, or the first of next month I'll start doing it. It's like New Year resolution. On the first of next year I'll start exercising. On the first of next month I'll start eating healthy. On the first of next month I'll start my project work. Like that. That is not the correct approach, and this is a habit of a procrastinator. So what you need to do not wait for tomorrow, do not wait for the weekend, do not wait for next month first, or do not wait for first of next year. You need to start your task now. Now is the best time, and there is no better timing of doing any job than now. Step number 7. Keep track of your daily activities in a journal or a diary, so that you would know how much time you're spending where. So it would be helpful in planning your routine so that you'd be able to stop wasting your free time doing random unnecessary things and use your time productively. Maintaining a journal could help you simplify your life, and it is a very good habit. So that would be the step number 7 from me. Step number 8 is you need to keep yourself motivated. Sometimes you're pumped up and really motivated to do a task, but when it comes to doing it, a small hurdle stops you and you start procrastinating. You leave the task at hand and go about doing something easier, something funnier, or something more interesting but unproductive. Well, my advice in such a situation would be to take a small 5-minute break and just relax. When you come back to the problem, you would definitely feel less anxious and less worried. Things would seem clearer and you would be able to see the solution more clearly and not get scared of the hurry. If you still feel intimidated, start with easier tasks and build your confidence, and then move on to the bigger problems. Procrastination can lead to depression, anxiety, low self-confidence, and a lazy mindset. If not dealt properly, it could harm you a lot. And that is why you need to keep yourself motivated. And how to keep yourself motivated? Well, there are a lot of ways to keep yourself motivated. The first way to keep yourself motivated would be listening to very positive music, very relaxing music, mostly music that don't have lyrics, because lyrics could be very distracting while you are doing your job. So go for music that is very relaxing but doesn't have any lyrics. The next one is listening to positive affirmations daily. It's a very good practice. It will help you keep your spirit up. So listen to positive affirmations daily and apply it to your life. Even you can talk to yourself. Say those affirmations to yourself so that you believe them, and it would boost your confidence up. The third one is start meditating. Just give yourself some alone time, close your eyes, breathe in and breathe out, and do some meditations daily to relax your brain, and that would help you in thinking of your goals more clearly, and it would keep you less agitated throughout the day. So these are my tips for keeping your spirit up and keep yourself more motivated. The last step to stop procrastinating is to stop multitasking. I know multitasking is a very good habit. Those who can do it, great, congratulations, but it could be a very difficult thing for procrastinator to try out, because when procrastinators start multitasking, they have so many goals to achieve, they always have pending jobs to do, so they try to multitask and they're unsuccessful in finishing up even a single task. So trying to multitask is the greatest enemy of procrastinators. Don't do it. Just try out doing one task at a time, one day at a time, one step at a time. Do not try to multitask, hence your productivity would be increased and you would achieve success. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my suggestion, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and please feel free to comment in the comment section. Thank you a lot.